Hello everyone. So this video is for those students who have just passed the 12th standard as well as those who are in the first year of computer science. And for those who have just passed the 12th standard and waiting for the exam results, this is something if you wanted to pursue computer science, or if you are in the first year of your computer science and want to understand what is computer science and how it looks all in a complete package. So this is a course which when I was studying I have referred a lot. This is CS50 and luckily this is now open courseware, and this is a course designed by David J. Malan from Harvard University, as well as the students who have participated in that program. So this is a program which I would recommend to everybody who is interested in learning computer science. So what does it offer in this program? So this program is a course which is designed specifically to teach topics such as abstraction, algorithms, data structures, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, SQL, Flask, and web, Android, iOS development, game development, and whatnot. So this will give you an exact idea of what would be in the computer science background if you are interested in getting into. So let us see how many weeks we have. So we have 9 weeks starting from week 0 to week 8, and what it lies in those weeks. So as you can see here, it has weeks along with the main topic of that week. So for example, week 1 would be the Scratch. Scratch is a programming language, visual programming language, where you would be building something very interactively. Apart from that, you will be learning about what is C, what are arrays, algorithms, memory management, data structures, what is Python, how you can integrate Python in your application, as well as what is SQL, and how you would be building some other tracks using the tracks, as you can see, Android games and iOS and web. So for example, and first of all, I would like to tell that this is a free course where anybody can learn this course. But if you want to get this certificate from for this course, you need to sign up for edX account, and you need to pay something somewhat around $100 or $76, depending on the discounts what you are getting it. But I'm not recommending it. But if you want to have your certificate from Harvard or edX that you have attained, you have completed this course, so go ahead and purchase that certificate. But if you don't want to invest in that, you can simply learn what it lies in this program. So in week 1 you would understand what it is. You will see the course from here, and I will put the link in the description of this website so that you can easily navigate and understand what it is and play around. So in week 0 you will learn about a Scratch language. There are audio notes, slides, presentation, source code, and video format, so that you can download it from anywhere, wherever you want to download from. And for each week you will be having a problem set. So let us see how it looks like in a problem set 0, because this is so for that what you need to do, everything is here, and when to do it by 31st December 2020. So this is how you can submit there are a specification what it requires in each project. Let us see, in week 1, in week 0 you will learn Scratch. In week 1 you will learn C, and along with that main course there will be short videos explained by the students who were earlier part of the CS50. They learned CS50 from David J. Malan and recorded these videos for you students to understand what are data types, operators, conditional statements, loop, and command lines. And as you can see in this week as well, there is a problem statement. You can you are feel free to submit those statements as well. But here you need to go like what you need to do, when to do it, and advices. So everything is listed here. And let us say you have started this course and want to understand anything which you don't understand by reading through all these things. You are welcome to comment on the description of this video or reach out to me on any of the social media. I will explain to you how you could do it very easily, or anything what you want to understand more in detail. I will explain all those details, and also how to solve those problem statements and problem sets. But I will not be solving all the problems, but I will be giving you hints and suggestions so that you can easily adapt. Similarly, you can see week 2 has some other aspects, functions, arrays, command line arguments, and variables and scope. Similarly, in week 3 you will understand what are the linear search, binary search, bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, recursion, merge sort, algorithm summaries, and so on, so forth. So in week 4 you will understand about the hexadecimal, pointers, dynamic memory allocations, call stacks, file pointers, and whatnot. So I'm just walking you through about the weeks you will be learning, such as data structures, singly linked list, hash tables, tries, and again problem statements. So till week 5 you will be understanding the C concepts and the data structure concepts and everything. From week 6 you will be learning about what is Python and how to integrate those Python, and what are the similarities and dissimilarities between C program and Python. And in week 7 you will understand what is SQL, how you can understand the database architecture, and how to create a table and alter table and insert values in the table. So all these things you will learn in that week. And week 8 is about having tracks. This will talk you it will give you 4 different tracks to learn from. One is the Android, where you will be building an Android application. Another one is the game, which you will be building a game, for example Pong videos, or from the watching the Mario videos. All these videos is in this course. And the other track is the iOS video, but for the iOS you need to have access to a Mac. So not all the users or all the students have Mac in their first year, or just they graduated from 12th. So this is something for those who have a Mac. And but apart from this track, other tracks such as web, it is for all. Android development it is for all, and game development it is for all. And at last, in the final project, you need to submit a project. Depending on how to submit, there are steps. And again I would say this is a project where you will understand how you could submit all these details in one step by step. Similarly, as I was saying, that when you wanted to obtain a certificate from Harvard, you can get a certificate something like this by going to edX with this 70% something and have a verified certificate from edX. So this is how it looks like, this course looks like, and it has a ID, the CS50 ID. So yeah, this is what it is. And let me know if you want to understand anything more in detail about CS50. And this was a quick video of how and what to get started with when you have just graduated your 12th standard, or when you are in first year of computer science, and what to learn from. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please share among your friends, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.